on, man. The guy in front of me just fell off his bike. Okay, so today we're going from Cape Town. It takes about 2 hours to go to the Aquila Game Reserve, and then we're gonna come back to the Stellenbosch University to meet up with Alex for some. Alright guys, it's barely 5:30 in the morning to go to quad bike today for the ultimate safari day. We're gonna find the Big Five. Damn, Henry man, you're pouring butter and oil onto your bread. Best parking in the world right here. The car is still here, Henry. Alright.
开到一半，前方白车突然横停挡路。
Whoa, big truck. Everyone on our left side here on our way to safari, you know, we drive by Shantytown, you know, where the poor people live. These are serious metal houses, not like the metal houses in Taiwan. Michael, how is the handling of this vehicle on this terrain?
Perfect for off-road, because you feel like off-road when you're on-road. Alright guys, we made it. Let's check it out.
Would you like a welcome drink first?
Sure.
We have sparkling wine, grape juice.
I'll have sparkling wine, please.
So, got a welcoming drink right here. Cheers, guys. So, made it after what, 2 hours?
2 hours.
From Cape Town?
Kind of going semi-blind.
Yeah.
We had no GPS address. There was no phone plan. Offline area didn't cover this far out.
Driving with our instincts, animal instincts. Yeah. Got some peacocks here, guys.
Sit here, chill with animals, drink wine.
Yes. Alright, well, let's feast. Alright, after you. Nice stone pot. Ooh, feel it. It's hot. What? Alright. Oh, my plate? Alright. Thank you. So Henry, did you taste in that cup of coffee? It's black
Well, yeah.
right now.
I'm no expert, but you know, this coffee, it's super smooth. Aroma is really good. You know, it's not sour. It's not like overly burnt. It's just very drinkable. Got a nice aroma to it. Got a good aftertaste.
Alright, morning guys. So it has all sorts of meat, fruits, veggies. Even has, you know, cereals. We're gonna go on a quad bike. So it's like an ATV. Okay, you have Rihanna on the quad. Okay, you have Paris Hilton. Go and find our Big Five. I'm ready for this trip. See my polo cap right here? Boom. I am ready to go on a safari. Alright, we're set. You're right. Right there. You're in.
What's up, guys?
What's going on? You got the GoPro? Yeah. Alright, man. It's the ATV in South Africa. There you go, but nothing compares to this. And I'm far behind from the group. Let's get...
You know what this feels like? Feels like...
Alright, so Henry is getting pulled over. Some zebras, Henry. Brandon, Michael.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
It's called wildebeest.
Wildebeest.
They're also known as white-tailed gnu. They're also known as spare part animal.
Oh, wow.
As you can see, the head of a buffalo,
Yes.
mane like a zebra, tail of a horse,
Oh.
legs of a cow, and they do have the bark of a puppy. And they're part of the ugly five.
What? The ugly five.
Horse people. Hey. Guys, as fun as it is, it gets pretty sandy and pretty bumpy too. But it's all worth it. What's up, Henry? What's going on? Alright, Henry. We're back alive, baby. Hit it. Thank you. Alright. Okay, cheetah. Yeah, I like your ear. Oh man, that's cool, that's cool. Crocodile in the Safari's over, so now we're gonna eat our lunch buffet now. Unusual dish Henry discovered. So it's got this layer of cheese. Alright, you pop it up. Inside you have corn and pumpkin. There's this small pumpkin here. It's pretty delicious. We're gonna gun through these TIA stuff. Here we go, here we go. TIA this mother. Boom. Hey, hello. Michael, 你好. 我在 vlog.
Hi.
Hi.
So where's Alex?
哦，我在这边孔子学院做志愿者，然后我在这里教外国人中文。
哦，
好的。
我们可以去酒庄。哦，中秋节快乐！
哦，是
哦对，中秋节快乐。
中秋快乐，中秋快乐。
中秋快乐。
中秋快乐。Okay, so here we are in Stellenbosch University. So here we got Alex in the Confucius Institute here in the building, teaching Chinese.
那个 Bernadette
Bernadette, yeah. 你有看 Big Bang Theory 啊？
超级好的那个。
对，类似这种感觉后来再看。
Alright, so all the wineries are closed, so we're here in the restaurant. We're gonna go check out the area. Yep. In the wine land until the restaurant opens.
北方话时间。
Okay.
吃了吗？
Practicing some self-defense because, as you know, in South Africa, it's not entirely safe here. So we need to learn some self-defense, some kung fu stuff.
对，然后我就不要这样，好了之后往这边，
我靠，还蛮厉害的。
是吧？就其实我就轻轻的一转，
但是哪有人会从前面这样？
流氓啊，流氓啊！
是哦。Hey, what's up? What's up?
Oh.
开销太不容易，就是这样，就这样。
Alright. Alright, which one? Oh, this one's a starter, right? Alright guys, we're chilling here. Cheers people. K-Town.
酒后可以驾车，但是喝醉酒不可以驾车。
好，非常的清楚 ，super clear。